Hello everyone, let's see how to copy filtered data without hidden row in Excel. So here you can see our data. To filter data, select the cell inside the data and press the shortcut key Shift Ctrl L to filter your data. Then here I click on this product filters and I just select all, and now here I select the keyboard, laptop and mouse and click on OK. Then in category I click on this drop down arrow and I just select the accessories and click on OK. Now you see your data is filtered. Now I want to copy this data in another sheet. I just select this all data and I use here the Control C and add a new sheet and use it the Control V. But here the full data paste. So to select only filters data, first select the entire data, go to the Home tab. In editing group, click on the find and select. Click on the go to special option. And here the dialog box is open, go to special. Then click on your visible cells only. Then click on OK and it's done. Then press the Ctrl plus C to copy this selected data. Then add the new sheet and select the cell and here press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste here filtered data. Okay. And the second way, I just go back in sheet number 1 and deselect this. Now I select here the entire data and use here the Control C. Then again use the one shortcut key Alt semicolon. Then add the new sheet and paste here the Control V. And here see only selected data here paste. Okay, product laptop only. Okay, as a filter there. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.